Hello guys, welcome to watch Chasing CM600 entry-level tutorial. The package contains CM600 control box, nylon mesh filter boards, control box hanger, screws, information kit. Before connecting, please make sure to keep the control box at least 3 meters away from pool edge. Place it in shady and cool places, avoid direct sunlight. Plug the cable to the control box and tighten the nut. Hold the handle. Put the robotic cleaner into water. Wait for the robot to completely sink. Then plug the power cord on the left side of the control box into the socket to turn on the power. Before you start cleaning, please select the appropriate mode according to your requirements. Press Mode button to select different modes. Press Start. The robot will begin to clean the pool automatically. The remaining cleaning time is displayed on the screen. Short press the Start button to pause the session. Long press the Start button to stop the session. When the session is complete, press Pickup button. The robotic cleaner will approach the nearest pool edge and emerge from the water. Hold the handle and drain the water. Then pull it out. After use, open the cover. Take out the filter basket. Flush the basket inside and out with a hose nozzle. The filter basket should be carefully cleaned before being placed inside the robot if it won't be used for a while. Also, make sure there is no water left inside the robot, and store the buoyancy cable in a shady and cool location indoors. This is all about Chasing CM600 introductory tutorial. Please watch advanced tutorial for more details.